I recently appeared for HP Judicial Services. This course which Kritika ma'am took, it really helped me to gain that confidence again. The way ma'am taught us, especially the major laws, it was really helpful.
Hi, I'm Dipansh Jain, a fourth year law student at MD Rohtak. I've been preparing for the judicial exam under the guidance of Kritika ma'am. Kritika ma'am has provided me with the best coaching and mentoring that I could ask for.
About like 1.5 years ago, I was so anxious and so desperate to clear this exam. And now I finally have, with your blessings and guidance. And ma'am, it's just been a wonderful journey with you.
So, if you are a struggling judicial services aspirant or struggling to understand the law, then you must attend my 2-day learning program where I will walk you hand in hand towards the journey of how to crack judicial services with a strong mindset. On the day 1, we will be covering how and when to start the preparation for judicial services examination, followed by simple methods to cover the vast syllabus. On the day 2, we will be covering simple answer writing templates for mains examination, followed by ways to tackle exam anxiety, exam fear, and that mental pressure by our inner circle call. So to register, click on the link below. I will see you in my session.
My name is Jyotsna Agrawal. I had a great opportunity to connect with ma'am. She was so humble to help me out with the selection of states, which is the fourth most important thing you have to do in order to achieve your goal.
I recently sat for Punjab judiciary exams and I was astonished. 90% of the paper were from the topics that the faculty had taught us.